Welcome. If you're looking to enable background sync permission for the Instagram app on your PC after the latest update, you've come to the right place. This quick guide will walk you through each step, so you can make sure your Instagram stays up to date even when you're not actively using it. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on the main page. At the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. This is your menu button. Click on those 3 dots to open up more options. From the drop-down menu, find and select App Info. This will take you straight to the settings page for the Instagram app. Here, you'll see a range of options that control how the app works on your PC. Next, look for the section labeled More Settings and Permissions. Click on it to expand additional controls and permissions that you can manage for the Instagram app. This is where you'll find the background sync settings. Scroll down until you see the option for background sync. This setting controls whether Instagram can update and sync your data even when you're not actively using the app. To make sure you don't miss any updates, simply switch the setting to Allow. That's it. By allowing background sync, you're making sure that your messages, notifications, and feed stay up to date in real time, even when you're working on something else or have the app minimized. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how smoothly Instagram runs on your PC. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these same steps and switch background sync off. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more tips and updates to get the most out of your Instagram experience on PC. See you next time.